Fix Telegram SMS code problem, Telegram code not receiving or OTP not coming. If you're not being able to receive the OTP code, maybe you're trying to log into your Telegram account and for some reason you're not getting the code on your phone. There could be a couple of reasons and not just one distinctive reason. First thing is you make sure that your phone number is ensured correctly. Basic thing, but just check once and again for all time. Once you've done that, make sure your internet connection is working fine and that you're in an area where your cellular network is working just fine, because if you're in an area where you're not being able to receive messages, in that case Telegram might fail to send you messages. So make sure you're in a place where you're receiving messages. Now after you've done all that, you're still not receiving, sometimes Telegram will send the code to one of the existing devices where your account is still logged in. I mean to say that if your Telegram account is still logged in on the devices like desktop or tablet, Telegram will send verification code to those devices or in the app of those devices. So you can try to check if you have logged in a Telegram account on other devices and receive the code from there, because you will get a verification code there. You can also try to close the Telegram app, because do not try from the same page over and over again. Try to uninstall and also reinstall the app. Go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the Telegram app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, if none of these are working, the only alternative I can recommend you is to use this app called Telegram X instead. So this is not a third-party app. This is also one of the official app developed by Telegram themselves. So you can instead choose to download this app and try to log into your account. All the functions will remain the same. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.